So today I'm making a Jingle Bell garland. And the reason I'm making it is I went to Terrain. Terrain is Anthropologie's garden store. If you've never been there, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous place. So beautiful. They have so many really cool things, but it is so expensive. And when I was there, they had all these trees, live trees in the store, just displayed. And I guess they hadn't decorated them yet. This was like in, I guess it went in early November, maybe late October. And the trees were just plain, and they had this Jingle Bell garland on them. It was just so the garland is wire with jingle bells on it. And it was just so pretty and so simple. And so I was like, oh, that is really cool. I could do that. We could put them outside. You know, it's something that you can put inside or outside, but it was just a really cute idea. And so I go over to where the jingle bells are, and I'm like, I got to get one. I pick up the package and it's $18. Now, $18, come on, for some jingle bells. So I was like, all right, maybe I'll get it after the holiday. So I decided to make my own jingle bell garland. So that's what we're going to make today. So what you'll need is, I have some 28 gauge wire, just like gardening wire. I have a little wire cutters to cut the wire with. I have a ruler with some assorted jingle bells. These jingle bells I've gathered over the years from thrift shops. I probably paid like $1 for 100 of them. I don't know. But they do have them at Michael's. I think there's a package of 60 for like $5. So you could buy them new if you wanted to. I like to thrift things. So I've thrifted the wire. I thrifted the jingle bells. So this probably cost me like $2. Okay, so you're going to cut your wire, and I pre-cut this. It's about 8 feet. You're not going to use all that. I would make like a 6-foot section of the wire total when it's finished. But what you're going to do is put your wire and take one bell and just put it on the end like you're sewing, and just twist it a little bit so that when you add the other bells, they won't fall off the wire. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add all your bells. I have different colors, so I'm going to just switch them up. I have a lot of gold brassy color ones, so I'm going to switch them out, like 2 to 1 or something, some kind of pattern. It should be random. It shouldn't be anything. So what you're going to do is you're going to make 3 of these, 3 wires of jingle bells, and then we'll twirl them together and make the final garland. All right, so I'm going to just put these bells on, and I'll come back and talk to you about twisting them. All right. Okay, there we go. I have all my jingle bells on my wire. And I'm going to take my first jingle bell. I'll slide it to I'm going to leave myself probably about 10 inches or a foot. I'm going to make a little divot. I don't know if you can see that. A little loop in the wire. And then you just pull the jingle bell up, and then you twist it. So like that. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So you just twist it. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to put the next jingle bell 2 inches. So I'm just going to measure it about 2 inches. I'm going to make another little divot, another little bend in the wire. There we go. And I'm going to pull the next jingle bell to that little divot, bend in the wire, and I'm just going to twist the jingle bell twice, and I'm going to pull it taut so that you're starting to get your little jingle bell garland. And I'm going to do this for the next 30 jingle bells. All right, finished. Alright, so now I'm going to get the other 2 garlands I made and twist these together. I've got 3 strands. I'm just going to set them out on the table a little bit. As you can see, so I'm going to start out, got my three different strands. I'm just going to twist them together so that the jingle bells don't line up. So they're a little bit staggered since they're not. That happens anyway, but I'm just going to twist that, give it a good twist. Twist. And then I'll deal with that. And then you just want to gently twist them together. Make sure the wires are together. There we go. And it's really convenient to hang these on a hook or something on a door or on a wall and twist them that way. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll be right back. I'm back from twisting my garlands. So I think they turned out really cute. I put I'm going to cut this. I twisted the end so that I have a nice little loop there. Be careful, there's little edges. They're kind of sharp. I already cut myself yesterday. Cut myself on this wire. I'm just going to tuck that in a little bit. You have to be careful working with wire. But there you go. A beautiful jingle bell garland for your tree. Thanks for watching.